Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's start analyzing Bank Nifty. On a daily chart, you can see that there is a fair bit of selling pressure above this breakout zone, which is equal to 30,000. Let me see, 30,800. We'll go to 15-minute chart to understand today's price action. So as you can see, this is the level that we are going to buy. In between that, we are not going to buy in full quantity, as we know price can go against our position anytime. So talking about Monday's session, what I foresee is that this level right here, which is equal to 30,660, looks to be a strong resistance level as well. So in tomorrow's session, what we can do is that we can sell Bank Nifty above the price of 30,500, and it should fill this gap run at, sorry, 30,500, and it should go as low as 30,470 at least, or even as low as this particular support, which is equal to 30,365. So in Monday's session, I cannot see any other or extremely bullish day unless and until Bank Nifty breaks out from this zone. Otherwise, we are going to see another back and forth day. Also, if you go to daily chart and see volume for last 2 days, volume have not expanded. If you compare it to the candle in Wednesday's session, which means that this is nothing but just a correction. We are going to see breakout probably in next week. So that's it is going to happen. We don't know when it is going to happen, but certainly it is going to happen very soon. So we have to be ready for that. Now we will analyze Nifty 50. Similar scenario is happening in Nifty 50 as well. In today's session, it made a doji-like candle just near about breakout zone. Generally, doji candle is a signal of that price is going to reverse. Let us go to 15-minute chart to understand. See, again similar price action you can see on 15-minute chart as well. Two times Nifty 50 tried to go up above 13,580. It failed to do so, and now it is taking support near around this region, which is 13,500. So in tomorrow's session, in Monday's session, what we are looking for, if Nifty 50 goes below 13,500, we are going to sell, and we are going to keep our first target near around 13,475, and then we can trail stop loss. If you want to buy, do not buy unless Bank Nifty goes above 13,570, or you can buy right here, which is 13,450, unless you see a reversal candle in a 5 minute or 15-minute chart at that level. But as far as Mondays is concerned, we are going to sell below 13,500. Let us move to analyze four stocks for Monday's session. First stock we have is Mahanagar Gas. If you look at the daily chart of Mahanagar Gas, this is an extremely strong support level. You can see multiple long wick candle. In today's session, Mahanagar Gap took strong support here, and then it made an extremely strong bullish candle as well. And if you see the wick of this candle, which is made on Wednesday's session, and the high or close of this particular candle is almost at the same level. So in Monday's session, if Mahanagar Gas breaks above 1065, it is certainly going to challenge the high of this bearish candle, which is equal to 1084. So you can see the volume have not expanded, but they are expanding for bullish session. As you can see the volume for bullish candle. So 1065 is the level that we are going to watch out for if you want to buy in Mahanagar Gas. Second stock that we have for tomorrow's session is Bandhan Bank. On a daily chart, you can see that Bandhan Bank did broke out of this level, but it broke out with a huge wick on the upper side, which means that there was a case of profit booking. So in tomorrow's session, what we can do is that we can sell when price goes below I'm in a 1 hourly chart below 424. What I foresee is that Bandhan Bank is going to retrace up to the support level, and then it is going to again retrace back to higher levels. So here I'll tell you. So here it will come and take support around 418 or so, and then it try to even break this high. Then you see a huge bullish momentum. So this is an ideal case of, this is a pole and this is flag. So people who missed out at entering Bandhan Bank just above 418, they are going to take this chance. And when Bandhan Bank comes at a price of 418 in coming session, they are going to sell at even higher with even higher quantity. So you are going to see huge bullish momentum. But for tomorrow, we are going to sell in Bandhan Bank. Third stock that we are going to trade in Monday's session is Jindal Steel and Power Limited. If you just look at the candle in today's session and all the other candle before, you can say that JSTL is going to go at even lower level. But just look at the volume. Volume for today's session was not expanding, and also the candle in today's session has wick in the upper side, which means that this negligible volume also has lot of buying. If you go to hourly chart, you can see the clear picture. Again, JSW still is taking support at the level of 458. So in tomorrow's session, rather in Monday's session, I foresee a retracement in price. If Bandhan JSW still goes above 459, we can certainly see it is going to go as high as the high of this particular level, or or we can see a breakout level which is around 365. So in Monday's session there could be a huge upside or a huge bullish candle in form of at least 5 to 6 rupees in JSW Steel. Fourth and final stock for Monday's session is Voltas. Similarly, if you compare the daily chart of Voltas versus JSW Steel, just looking at purely candle in today's session, you can say that it is bound to sell. It is price is going to recede in Monday's session. But if you go to volume and see the volumes for last 4 day, volumes have not expanded. So we can conclude that this is nothing more than just correction. Let me go to hourly chart, and the same story is transpiring here as well, as I showed you in JSW Steel. So here you can see long wick candle on a support level, which is an indication of price is going to retrace. That level should be above 805. So we are going to buy Voltas above 805, and I can see Voltas going as high as 815 at least, and depending upon the kind of bullish momentum, it can even go as high as this level, which is equal to 820. Now let us see all the important levels in the four stocks that we are going to trade. So once again, we are not going to pick all of these. We are going to pick two at most. And for aggressive trader, you can look to book all the profits. And for traders who are averse to risk, they can exit their position at first or second target. But regardless of that, just keep on trailing your stop loss. Because I have been saying this multiple times, and I have seen from my experience as well. When you trail your stop loss, uh, at least 50 to 60% time, price goes so above, and it even just goes even double of your trailing stop loss. So, for example, here in JSW still, we price goes about 362, and we trail our stop loss to 362, which means that we are going to exit our position at 362 no matter what happens. But sometimes the momentum is so stronger that after a bit of retracement, the price can even go to 365 or 370. So that's what you have to look as well. Thank you for watching.